Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make your car appear to have no windows. And by the way, this is my first car parking multiplayer tutorial, so I might get things wrong, I might get things right. You'll see later. So anyways, of course you go to the garage menu and then go to car upgrade, and then you go to the exterior menu which has a paint bottle on it. So you press this left button till you arrive in window. So as you see, there is this slider which adjusts the transparency of the windows. So what you gotta do is to drag the slider all the way till it hits the bottom, and then you move this square in the color palette to any color, and then voila, there you go, your windows are gone. Looks ridiculous, doesn't it? And sure, it looks even more ridiculous out on the road. If you find this video helpful, or you just simply enjoy this video, then leave a like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest uploads. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.